Hello guys, today we are playing Subway Surfers, but each time I lose, it gets faster. So, let's play. Okay, unlike last video, I can jump. So, yeah. Let's see if I can set a high score. Boom. Why does my phone vibrate so much? Oof. Alright. So guys, did you know there are some articles that say that Subway Surfers is a real game? But like based on an actual kid who was dead in railway tracks. And his father created this game in tribute to remember his son. And the police officer is just trying to save the kid. And not exactly put him in any trouble. And hence this is a very popular game. So how many of those articles are real? And do you guys know any of Subway Surfers theories? Let me know in the comments. Okay, so I'm gonna begin. After this, I'm going to let's take the videos. I have heard things saying that you cannot like and subscribe at the same time. Is that true? I mean, this is just wild. Haven't lost yet. Still haven't lost. Okay. Ah, jetpack. Oof, okay. Is there any cover-up that you guys dislike? Let me know in the comments. Okay. I have not lost yet, but it is a little bit faster. And there's another jetpack. Oof. Okay, so now it speeds up a bit. I want a microphone. Alright. Okay, yeah, this supposed to speed up the game. Hopefully. Yeah, it's fast, it's faster, right? But then I can't get it more faster. So if this ends, then the video ends. Okay, this is quite fast. Oh, I have completed that. Okay. Yeah, I lost. I don't think there's another way to speedrun up the game. So yeah. Video ends. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you all liked it, please leave a like and suggest what else I could do. So yeah. See you all next time.